Hello there, I'm Dave from Dyno Bike and I'm sitting on one of the new Triumph 660 Tridents. So this is the lambs version of that model. We're going to de-restrict it and put an exhaust system on it, or a Zard exhaust system on it to be exact, later on today. But what I wanted to talk to you about this morning was that I know there's various software platforms or freeware software out there that you can buy, and assumedly you could load selected maps onto your bike thinking that you are de-restricting it. I'd just like to warn you that you may or may not actually be de-restricting it, and this bike here is a perfect case in point. The customer has said to me this morning that he's loaded a file in there that de-restricts the bike, so we as tuners don't have to worry about it. As it turns out, he hasn't actually de-restricted it. The throttle valve is still not opening anywhere near close to full. In fact, it's not even getting to 50% of its total range, and the bike is now running very lean under heavy load at high RPM. So all in all, what he thought was a solution is potentially going to create some issues down the track should he have left this bike like it was. But it's here, and we're going to tune it, and we're going to de-restrict it correctly and adjust the fueling correctly for him, so he'll be fine. But just a word of warning for those out there that think they can do it themselves via some freeware software and it's happy days. Just be very, very careful, guys. It may or may not be as simple as what you think. So thanks for watching. I'm Dave from Dyno Bike.